Meet the famous duck who ran the Long Island Marathon. Wrinkle set a 1 kilometer world duck record.
What is
Will's just got fast food and world records. What is this local news?
The last one was fast food and a world record.
Yeah, or that's it. That's the criteria. It's either fast food, a world record, or fast food and world records. Wrinkle set a 1 kilometer world duck record of 18 minutes and 8 seconds.
Yeah.
1 kilometer in 18 minutes. This might be more impressive than the Nuggets.
That's no joke.
I definitely can't do that.
A duck.
Yeah.
Did you guys notice those geese and the baby geese at the bottom of the street there? And they're just somehow not dying. Like they're just all over the road.
Yeah.
But they figured it out somehow.
What do you mean? You can't even remotely get close to them.
Well, I don't try to.
No, but I mean everybody. Like I was driving on Saturday, and there was geese crossing the road, and there was just a lineup of cars. Nobody was moving. Nobody was trying to move these.
Oh, you're saying just people are really good about it.
Yeah, people are just very.
Oh yeah. No doubt. But it's a busy street. I keep thinking, man, you got to set up somewhere else. But anyway, in case you forgot about the famous duck Wrinkle, can't believe I forgot.
Yeah.
Made an appearance on the course at the 2021 New York Marathon. He made another appearance at the Long Island Marathon in New York on May 7th. In the kids' 1K marathon, where Wrinkle clocked a world duck record of 18 minutes. Is there a video of this?
Yeah.
This duck just goes in a straight line. How do they persuade it? I'm curious. Oh, and it has sneakers on as well.
Oh my god!
Yeah, it's quite adorable.
Well, it would have to. Oh wow, decent pace.
Oh, that's some speed right there.
Decent pace.
There you go.
Damn. Treats at the end. Yo, imagine you decide this was your thing in life.
You're gonna train ducks?
Train the duck
Yeah.
to break the record on this.
That's a cute duck.
It is, right?
My thing was, how do you get it in a straight line? Because the ducks are usually moving about.
Or trying to fly.
But it's always the same, isn't it? You just put a treat over there. It's always the same, isn't it? You just put a treat over there.
Yeah. We'll keep running.
It's funny. It's just simple, actually. Like when you get all crazy because you guys all have these dogs, and it's like the dog training and this and that. And you're just bribing all the time.
Oh, this is passed out?
Yeah.
I throw a treat at his body.
You know,
Completely wakes
I mean,
up.
you act all sophisticated about it, but it's just bribery. That's all. Like it's just pretty straightforward bribery
All right.
of you want food or not.
Do the thing. Hurry up.
I mean, even this duck, it's cute, but then it's also like, you want food or not? Run, duck. He's on like kilometer.
Just sweating. Oh my
During
god.
the training session, he's 3 kilometers in.
There's like a Rocky Balboa montage of this duck.
He hasn't eaten in weeks.
Completely ripped.
Run, duck, run. Yeah.
Oh man.
Well,
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe it was just a natural thing. Maybe there's no bribery. I don't know. Maybe it's just a duck likes to run, man. I don't know.
I mean, that's an accomplishment, I guess, in terms of training this duck to focus.
Absolutely. No, and I'm joking around. Yeah, of course. I mean, if all it was providing treats, then every dog would be amazingly trained, and they're not. There's techniques to it.
And this was probably for some fundraising, I would assume. It doesn't say in this article. But it was for the actual marathon.
Well, there's a lot of like sponsors and stuff down there, so I assume something happened with that.
Yeah.
But good job waddling.